Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can change Instagram password even though if you have forgotten the current password and still you want to change the password. So, yeah, open Instagram application on your mobile and click on your profile picture at bottom, the fourth option, this one, okay? And this will open your profile. You need to click on these three bars at right top corner here, and there is a new concept called threads, which is a new application for Instagram. So if you don't know what is threads and how to install that, I have already did a tutorial on that. I'll drop the link in the description. You can go through that. See here, you need to click on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you'll find an option called account center. Tap on this. Once you're here, you'll find an option called password and security. Tap on here and click on change password. And this is the current account what I want to change the password. It will ask for the current password, and you can enter the new password and the repeat new password so that you can change the password by clicking this here. But what if you forgot the current password? Yes, still there is a chance you can recover. There is an option called forgotten password. Here you need to place on this forgotten password. So once you click on forgotten password, there will be an email sent to your registered email ID for your Instagram account. This is the registered email ID for that account. So there is a reset password link sent to my email, so that when you click on that, it will redirect to the this section, this password setting section, and here I can change or set new password. If I click on reset password, my password gets changed. And this is on the latest update version of Instagram. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.